everyone. Hello, Cleo. Are you gonna sit down and join us? Hello. Hello. Oh, you guys, it has been a morning. First of all, if you see mess in the background of my house, I'm sorry. We're gonna get to that later. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Adrienne if you're new here. Anyways, it is currently about 12:30 on Monday, and it's just been a weird day. So I'm gonna explain it to you guys and be really honest. I'm sure you can probably tell, like, I just don't look great right now. I look really pale and, oh, Cleo, you're being so cute. My eyes are puffy, and it's because I had a good pity party with myself today for like 2 freaking hours. Basically, I'm just feeling really overwhelmed in a couple of ways, and it basically is all centered around my move to Seoul. It's like the fact that I don't feel ready to leave Busan. Oh fuck. And when I say it, oh fuck. I thought I didn't have any more tears. I don't feel ready. I don't. And the thing is, it's really hard to come to terms with the fact that, like, even though somewhere might feel like home, sometimes it's in your best interest to leave for a little bit. Oh gosh. But yeah, that's really, I mean, I could go on and on and on and on and on about it, but I just don't feel ready, and I'm so excited to start this new chapter of my life in a city that I've been to so many times and that I know so many people there. That's the thing. It's like I'm not worried about being lonely or not knowing anyone. I know I'm gonna stay so busy there. It's just the fact that, like, Busan is truly my home. I am just trying to remind myself right now that, you know, Korea is very small, and if I ever want to come back here just for a couple of days, it's going to be really easy to do that. I do have a 100% plan of coming back here for the whole summer, because Busan, in my opinion, is so much better than Seoul in the summer. So yeah, I don't really know why I'm so emotional. Like, I'm only moving away from this place for like 4 or 5 months, but yeah. And please, no judgment. I know my problems are so small compared to like what's going on in the world, but at the end of the day, you have every right to get emotional and be upset. So I'm not gonna lie though, like, it always just feels so much better after when you cry. And like, I talked to so many of my friends on the phone today. Like, literally, I've called like 5 or 6 people, and like, you guys know who you are, you're amazing. And it's like, no matter what people say to me, I can't get over it. Anyways, what I do know is that you guys are gonna be with me on this journey. You're gonna see me move, and you're gonna see how I do. We might have a few more mental breakdowns along the way, but we're gonna try and make the most of today. I'm sorry to start this video off on such an emotional level. I think this is the most emotional I've ever gotten in a video. But we are gonna go to a cafe. I think I just need to get out of my house, because the more I'm in my house, the more I'm like, oh God, I'm gonna miss this place. So we're gonna get up, we're gonna go to a cafe. I have 3 travel vlogs to edit. Those always put me in a great mood. And then I need to book my mover. I haven't done that. Like, I'm in denial, you guys. I'm in freaking denial. It is almost 6 o'clock, which means I've been at this cafe for literally like 4 hours. I'm feeling a lot better because I just got myself out of my house and I've been productive. I got 2 videos edited, and I've like simultaneously been having calls on the phone with my friends, so that always makes me feel better. But I think soon I'm gonna wrap it up and go see Miss Cleo, give her a walk, make something healthy for dinner. So I'll see you guys when I get home. So good. I don't remember the last time I got a smoothie. I usually just get coffee, but I saw this and I was like, I'm in the mood. So I'm drinking a blueberry yogurt smoothie right now and it is delicious. All right, so first order of business. Somebody is coming today to pick up this chair. It's funny, I literally never used this chair. It was just a clothes collector. And then also my round table over here, just the white one. I'm gonna hold on to the glass one because I really like that. Thank you.
Ta.
What kind of tea is this?
It's bui ta. Okay.
All right, so I'm at Sharon's and we thought it would be fun if we look at different pieces of clothing and see the difference in how you say it, like Korean versus English. Okay.
So.
Ooh, look at you.
Oh,
very
no,
young,
like 20 years
young
old.
Sharon. Okay, so
So
here's Sharon's closet. Wow, very well organized.
I know, it's me. You have to tell me how to call each stuff.
Okay.
Okay. This is trash and
That's a fur vest.
fur vest.
Fur vest, yeah.
One?
That's padding.
Padding.
Yeah. Oh, it's like padding.
Wow.
Long padding vest.
Where are you from?
I don't know how to say that.
This?
Same.
Same but different material.
Yeah, but we don't really point out the material.
I want to point out.
You would just be like my orange fuzzy coat.
Fuzzy coat.
Yeah, fuzzy.
And this one?
Same.
Could you be more specific?
It's all the same.
All right. And then what about this?
Oh, that's just like a fashion jacket. Like a
Fashion jacket.
yeah, like sequin. Is this like sequin?
But have you seen somebody wear this kind of stuff?
Yeah. Only to like a really like
In Korea?
fancy event. Yeah, in Korea.
Yeah, fancy, right?
Yeah. What is that called?
Leopard coat.
But how do you say it in Korean?
Leopard.
Leopard.
Leopard. And this is just padding?
Padding, yeah. But like actually in America, like
They don't call padding.
we don't call it padding. We just say like my coat.
It's not coat.
Right. It's
In
padding.
Korea,
It's
it's totally
padding.
different.
Yeah, it makes more sense to call it padding.
And this sweater?
No, so this is a sweater, but do you know what we call this part?
Turtleneck.
Turtleneck, yeah.
So turtleneck sweater?
Yeah. Is it like a dress?
Yeah.
So we say sweater dress.
Sweater dress.
Yeah.
Turtle. And then this one, how to call? It's a leather jacket.
Oh,
but-
yeah. It's like a lined leather jacket because it's got lining on the inside.
Oh.
Like. All right. Good morning, everyone. So it is actually 6:30 right now. I am doing a live K-beauty event and it's being broadcasted in America. So that's why I'm doing it so early so it can be the evening over there. But yeah, I got all my stuff set up right here. I'm a little bit nervous, honestly. It's also timed. I have 25 minutes, which seems like a lot, but it's not when you're talking. Cleo's still asleep, but yeah, hopefully this goes well. All right, guys, I just finished. I look a little bit crazy right now. I just realized I forgot to do bronzer on this side of my face, so it doesn't look exactly how I wanted it to just because of the bronzer. But for the most part, I'm really proud of myself because I only had 25 minutes, which does not seem like, or it seems like a lot of time, but it's not. When you're like talking, doing commentary, and I also did do a skincare segment on there in that 25 minutes, and I'm not kidding, I finished with like 15 seconds left. So I'm really glad that everything worked out. This is, can you guys guess which side is Korean? It's this side. This side is Western. But now I have this mess to clean up. I already cleaned up a lot of my stuff. But yeah, we're gonna seize the day. I'm gonna do some editing now. It's literally only 8 a.m. now. So yeah, that's how my day is going so far. That was a lot of fun. I love talking to you guys early in the morning. So it is later on now. I ended up taking off all my makeup. I did a little work on my computer just in bed, but I need to get out of my house because I feel like I've been spending just way too much time inside my house lately, which usually I'm okay with that, but just the fact that I'm leaving in a week, I'm like, I should be getting out, you know, and enjoying these last few days. So I'm gonna head back over to the same cafe that I was at the other day, and I don't know why, I work really well in there, so I just feel like going back, and I'll see you there. Bye.